Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, a lot of things have happened. The entire crypto market was affected in a negative way, while the outflow of cash was very heavily outweighing the inflow, and that's why majority of the market was down about 20%. If you compare that to what happened about 48 hours ago, majority of the market was up about 25%. And the driving factor of all this is obviously Trump's announcement. But what's actually put the entire market into a little bit of a panic situation is where majority of the altcoins were consolidating before the announcement, the reserve announcement. This pullback has actually made the market fall below what it was consolidating. So the support for majority of the altcoins being broken, and one of the biggest one being Dogecoin. It was able to consolidate above the price of 19 cents, but currently you can see it's actually fallen under. And let me tell you, there's a lot of accusations which are being thrown around. Anti-Crypto Peter says President Trump helped pull off the biggest crypto rug pull of all time and calls on Congress to investigate. This is seen as a rug pull. I mean, if you see what happened in the last 48 hours, this could be a statement that can be used. On the other end, Bitwise files for the spot Dogecoin ETF with NYSE. Big deal. Trump and Doge prices show signs of reversal after President Trump's crypto reserve tweet. Dogecoin's future, could it reach $4 if key support levels hold? And Binance in the European crypto market faces dispute as they delist USDT, DAI, and other stable coins. So there's a lot of things happening. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, and especially turn on your notification so you can stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will just help lead to algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what's happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, and everyone gets a lot of education and money. At the same time, first of all, I want to show you this, and this should give you perspective why it clearly looks like a rug pull. Just to give you perspective, from here, which was at 20 cents, the market was able to climb to 24 cents, which is about a 20% return in a single day. The next day, we actually fell by quite a large margin, actually fell under the previous support that the market was able to hold. Currently, Doge actually fell under 19 cents and is in a panic situation, which can maybe push it down to 17.5, because that's going to be the next support that it will be able to hold. And let me tell you one thing, why is the entire market counting Trump, or allegations against Trump is increasing? Because if you look at Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin was still able to sustain the price where it was pre-pump. You can say it was pretty much consolidating at 84 and it only fell down to 82. But if you compare to something like Ethereum, well, Ethereum took a really hard beating, because you can see that it was consolidating at about 2.2k and currently has fallen down to 2k. So a lot of people are putting allegations on Trump for making the market become even more volatile, and especially the panic to be more that majority of the altcoins actually fell even harder. Another thing that was interesting is if you look at the open interest, it's down 16% for Dogecoin. It's actually fallen under 1 billion, and the long to the short ratio on the other end is still in favor of long traders, and that's why the confusion is starting to build. Now you can see that just in this single hour, we did actually go down to 18.5 where the previous support was, and currently is trying to hold the market together. And let me tell you one interesting thing. In the last 24 hours, 11% of the market cap has been wiped off. 11% of 2.7 trillion. That should give you perspective. That's about Elon Musk's net worth just in the last 24 hours. So a lot of money was being moved around, and a lot of new traders have become millionaires, and that should give you perspective why a lot of people are extremely angry. And the same story goes for Bitcoin as well, 13% down on the open interest. Goldman Sachs CEO said there is very small chance that the US economy goes into recession. At the same time, SEC ends another investigation, which was for the NFT sale of Bored Ape. You guys know that was very big back in 2021, 2022. And That's bullish, because the amount of things or amount of lawsuit that SEC is trying to conclude is definitely going to have a lot positive impact. And President Trump announces $100 billion investment from Taiwan's semiconductor company in the United States. Now, is this being confirmed by him, or is it being confirmed by the company? Will be hard to tell, due to the fact they are trying to pretty much have some sort of protection from China. That's the simple statement. Michael Saylor says Bitcoin's market cap is going to 20 trillion and then 200 trillion. Now, this is an interesting statement, because if you look at the market cap currently, it actually fell under 2 trillion, and that's the reason why the market is making it so hard for the entire altcoins to actually stay in a positive trend. Now, in the short term, if you ask me what's going to happen, it's very clear that the market is not going to see any sort of positive sentiment due to the amount of fear that's starting to grow. I mean, we were in 20s, or actually under 20 for a short period of time, but we did climb all the way to nearly 40. But now, due to this unexpected turn of events due to Trump, you can say insider trading is probably the right word a lot of people are going to be looking forward to. Is going to cause a lot of controversy and unexpectancy in the entire crypto market. Now, this SEC drops Kraken lawsuit, so that's another one for this week. And US Senate to vote this week on repealing IRS rule threatening crypto and DeFi. Now, if this goes wow, this can definitely still make the market dump, because usually in crypto, if you do not know, first of all, there's going to be, if there is a news, there's going to be a dump. If there's rumors, it's going to pump up the price. There's only two things that usually happen in crypto. And if we're able to see the price climb, well, more things are going to happen in the future. Now, Indian investors are holding crypto post Trump's reserve call. So right now, the exchanges posted 20% to 30% in trading volume. CoinSwitch said that the daily active users increased by 20%. So there's a lot of investors in India which are definitely counting for Trump to do good things for crypto. And Trump's crypto reserve is absurd. And the reason for this is a lot of people are saying for all of this to play out, it would be extremely hard, because the amount of money that the US government can actually flood into the crypto market is absurd. And at the same time, due to how volatile the crypto market is, it would be a little bit unsafe for the entire market. Now, this was also just under the radar news, which was not caught on by a lot of people. Binance delisted a lot of stablecoins. I know USDT was supposed to be removed from the EU for a long time ago, like a month ago, but now seeing that even more stablecoins are being removed by Binance, in the future, we are expecting a little bit more, because this news has a huge impact. You need to understand that stablecoins are the backbone of the crypto market. Now, institutional interest grows as crypto VC funding climbs to nearly 1 billion in February. So institutions are trying to jump into crypto, so they need a better price to jump in. And currently, that's exactly what crypto is trying to provide. If you ask me, for my personal opinion, I would say currently you should wait for the price to go a little bit lower, or DCA. DCA is going to be perfect, so pretty much just buy down on your value and pretty much hold it over time. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. No financial advice, this is just my personal opinion. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.